Hi students, I am your chemistry miss Mrs. Anbumalar. Today we are going to see the continuation for the lesson 4 transition element. The topic is oxidizing property of KMnO4. So previous video how it will oxidize, that is it will oxidize in 3 medium, that is acidic medium, basic medium and the neutral medium. First we are going to see the neutral medium, how it will takes place. So that is first one is neutral medium. So what is neutral medium? First one is KMnO4. So KMnO4. So it is the ionic form is MnO4 minus. So MnO4 minus, it is oxidized to so that is Mn2 plus. MnO4, it is oxidized to Mn2 plus. In this one, what is the oxidation state? How to calculate the oxidation state? This will be x minus 8 equal to minus 1. So that is x is equal to plus 7, right? So this is plus 7 oxidation state. So here, what is the oxidation state? Mn2 plus. So already given, that is plus 2. So how it will plus 7 is oxidized to plus 2. So how many electron it will gain? So that is the 5 electron. So that is another one. How it will activate? So that is the what is the electronic configuration of Mn? Atomic number is 25. How to write? So that is argon. So that is 3d5 4s2. So that is the oxidation. So Mn plus 7. So what is the oxidation state? So that is removing of 7 electrons. So removing of 7 electron, what is that answer? 3d0, then 4s0. Okay. So first one is, this is oxidized in the acid medium. So the neutral medium means how to write the neutral medium. So that is MnO4 minus plus we are adding that water. So MnO2 plus OH minus. So how to write this one? Which side is oxygen is more oxygen means that side you are adding oxygen. So the water molecule. So this is oxygen is 4 oxygen, this side 2 oxygen. Suppose this is 4, so that side you are adding that water molecule. So, so how many water molecule adding this side? That double that amount of oxygen or the OH minus ion will be added. So that is here 2 mean that is 4 OH minus. So how many electron is gained? So that is MnO4 minus MnO2. What is the oxidation state? What is the oxidation MnO4? That is plus 7. What is the oxidation MnO2? So that is x minus 4 equal to 0, x is equal to plus 4. So here that is plus 4 oxidation, plus 7 plus 4. How many remaining electron? That is it will gain 3 electrons. So that is it will reduce into 3 electron. Okay, so this is the another one. So this is the neutral medium. So they are basic using this. They give 2 example. What is that example? First example is 2 example. Hydrogen sulfide is oxidized to sulfur. Second example, thiosulfate. Yes, 2O3 to thiosulfate. It is converted into sulfate ion. Okay, so this is the 2 example. So how to write this equation? First one is hydrogen sulfide. So first one, hydrogen sulfide is converted into sulfur. So how many electrons? So what is the oxidation state of sulfur is? That is plus 2 minus. So that is minus 2, right? So what is that electron? So here that is oxidation state will be 0. So how many electron will be loose? That is the 2 electron, right? So that is the another one. So the here minus 2 means it will oxygen is increase, oxidation state. Increase of minus 2 mean it is increase oxidation state, right? Increase oxidation state. Okay, now this is the general equation. Now write the general equation. What is the general equation? Neutral medium MnO4 minus plus 2H2O plus 3 electron, right? So what is that answer? MnO2 plus 4 OH minus. This is the general equation in the neutral medium. So we are adding, now we are balancing. Here 2 electron is here 2 electron. Suppose 2 different electron. How to write? This equation is multiplied by 3, but this equation is multiplied by 2. So what is that answer here? So first one is multiply the whole equation, that is 3H2S, then 3H2S gives 3 sulfur plus 6 electron, right? So here this equation is multiplied by 2. So how to write? 2MnO4 minus plus 4H2O plus 6 electron gives 2MnO2 plus 8OH minus. Now you are adding these two equation. So both side you are cancel this one. So how to, what is that answer? So here that is water molecule. So how to adding this one? 2MnO4 minus plus 3H2S gives 2MnO2. How many sulfur? That is 3 sulfur. Then so here that is also, that is 3 sulfur, then 8 OH minus. How many water molecule is there? So here 4 water molecule in that side adding. So here that is the 4 water molecule plus 4H2O. Okay, so this is that equation. So this is the neutral medium, how it will act. That is the, so first you are oxidizing, the balancing the H2S. How many electron? Minus 2 is oxidized to 0. So that is 2 electron. So again MnO4 minus 3 electron. What is the difference? The general equation we are writing here. That is balancing the 2 equation. So you are multiplying here 2. Here multiply by 3. Okay, so then you are adding that one. This is the first equation. Second equation, second example is thiosulfate. S2O3 2 minus is converted into SO4 minus. Okay, SO4 2 minus. Okay, so how to SO4 2 minus, how it will calculate? So what is the oxidation state here? That is here 2x minus 6 equal to minus 2, 2x equal to minus 2 plus 6, 2x equal to 4, 4x is equal to 2. Okay, that is the plus 2 oxidation here. What is this oxidation? X minus 8 equal to minus 2, x is equal to plus 6. So here that is plus 6 oxidation, right? So this is the another one. So how to calculate that one? So this is the oxidation state, that is plus 2 and the plus 6 oxidation state. So here then MnO4, how many electron? That is plus 2 is converted into plus 6 oxidation state. How many electron? Reduce, that is the 4 electron, right? So 4 electron. Then thiosulfate. So thiosulfate, then manganese. MnO4 minus plus how many electron? So here that is the 3 electron. 3 electron is gain. MnO2. So this is the general equation. General equation I already writing here now. So that is the general equation. MnO4, that is the general equation. I am again we are writing, that is one. So here that is 4 electron, here 3 electron. How to balancing that one? So here you are balancing this equation this side. So here that is SO4 This side you writing here how many electron, that is 4 electron, right? So this equation is multiplied by 3 electrons, so that is 3. This equation is multiplied by, so here 3 is there, here 4 is there. Now next we are going to balancing this equation. S2O3 2 minus, then SO4 2 minus. So how many electron? Here is 2, so here writing 2s. So here that is the plus 6 oxidation state, this one. So totally how many electron is there? So that is here minus 2 charges is there, plus this is plus 4, this is plus 6 oxidation state. How many electron? That is 8 electron, right? So here now this equation is multiplied by, this is 3. So this equation is multiplied by 3. This equation is multiplied by 8. Okay, so now the balancing that equation, 8 means 8 MnO4 minus plus 24 electron. This equation, so then 8 MnO2, then here that is 3S2O3 2 minus gives 6SO4 2 minus plus 24 electron. So 24 cancel. So remaining equation we can write like this: 8 MnO4 minus plus 3S2O3 2 minus gives 8 MnO2 plus 6SO4 2 minus. Okay, so this is the equation, balancing that equation. So now we are balancing the oxygen. So what is the total oxygen here? So 8 4s are, I am writing here 8 4s are 24. I am writing this equation. This I am writing here 8 MnO4 minus plus 3S2O3 2 minus, then equation 8 MnO2 plus 6SO4 2 minus. Okay, so how to balancing the oxygen? 8 4s are 24 here, that is 3 3s are 9. So here 16 plus 24, what is the total? 0 40 is there here. 2 1 33, here 33, 7 molecule of water we need. So how to balancing that one? So this is 8 4s are 32 plus that is here, that is 41. Okay, 41, here 40, only one oxygen is balanced. How to balancing that one? We are adding here, that is 1 molecule of water here, that is we are balancing 2 molecule of hydrogen, so that is 2 OH minus. So this is the balancing that equation. So here that is 8 MnO4. So this is the only equation we are given in that book, but how it will come means, that is the according to the oxidation number you can calculate like this. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one. So next one is alkaline medium. So next we are going to see the oxidizing property in the alkaline medium. So how to explain is the alkaline medium. What is that alkaline medium? Alkaline medium. Okay, alkaline medium, again MnO4 minus, it will converted into MnO4, that is 2 minus. So what is the oxidation state here? MnO4 4, that is x minus 8 equal to minus 1, x is equal to here plus 7. What is that here? That is MnO4 2 minus. What is the oxidation state? X minus 8 equal to minus 2, X is equal to plus 6, right? So plus 6, how many electron remaining? So that is 1 electron, right? So this is 1 electron. So what is the oxidation? When we are balancing that one, oxygen, so here that is Mn O4. So how to balancing that one? MnO4, again MnO4, 2 minus, we are adding with water, that is alkaline medium, again MnO2 plus 2 OH minus plus oxygen is an ace and oxygen. How it will act in the neutral medium? It is same in an alkaline medium. So in the alkaline medium, it is not so much of different when compared to neutral medium. Look like the neutral medium and the alkaline medium both are same. So that is, it is act like a neutral medium. Next we are going to see the acid medium. What is mean by acid medium? Next topic is acid medium. Acid medium. What is the acid medium? Again writing KMnO4. KMnO4, how to write? MnO4 minus. So MnO4 minus, what is the oxidation state of MnO4? So that is plus 7, right? Plus 7, it will convert it into Mn2 plus. So that is the plus 7 plus 2. So it can oxidize other substances. What is the, it cannot be oxidized. How? So Mn7 plus, what is that equation? Mn7 plus means argon 3d0 and 4s0. According to this electronic configuration, it cannot oxidize to any other substance, but it can act as an oxidizing agent. So how it will explain? That is, they give the 7 example, right? So this is the 7 example they are already given in your textbook. First one is Fe2 plus Fe3 plus I minus I2, oxalate ion to carbon dioxide, sulfate ion to sulfate, nitrate ion to nitrite, and the ethyl alcohol to aldehyde, then SO3 2 minus to SO4 2 minus. This is the example we are given. So first we are, before going to that, first we are going to write the common equation. So common equation, first you understand that common equation, after that only you can easily balancing the other equation. So you memorize that equation is not at all possible, so you can write like this. Okay, first one, you understand that concept. First one is MnO4 minus, then in an acid medium. So it is like an acid medium. Acid medium means you can write H plus, right? So then Mn2 plus. Okay, so Mn2 plus, I already told which side you are having that oxygen. So that side you are adding the acid medium H. So how many electrons? This is plus 7. This is plus 2. How many electrons is gain? So that is 5 electron. Okay, 5 electron is gain. So now oxygen is here. This side no oxygen is here. That side no oxygen. So balancing that oxygen, you are adding oxygen. 4 molecule of oxygen, right? So 4 molecule of water molecule that side. So how many hydrogen is there now? That is 8 hydrogen. So this is the general equation of oxidation of MnO4. Okay, so this is the general equation. Using this equation, how to write the remaining equation? First one is, it will reduce to Mn7 plus is reduced to Mn2 plus. First equation, first example. What is that first example? This is the first example. What is the Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus, right? First example, Fe2 plus is converted into Fe3 plus. Okay, this is the first equation. Okay, how many electron is reduced? Fe2 plus converted into Fe3 plus. How many electron? So remove, that is only 1 electron. Okay, so then how to balancing that general equation? So now this is the general equation. What is the general equation? How many electron is there? 5 electron, here 1 electron. How to balancing that one? This equation is multiplied by 5. Okay, so that is how to write F5 Fe2 plus gives 5 Fe3 plus 5 electron, right? So now you can write this equation MnO4 minus okay, plus 8H plus 5 electron gives Mn2 plus 4H2O. Okay, we are adding the two equation. What is that answer? So this is the answer. It will get that answer. So 5 electron will be cancelled. 5 Fe2 plus MnO4 minus plus 8H plus gives 5 Fe3 plus Mn2 plus 4H2O. Okay, so this is the first equation. Okay, this is the oxidation of Fe2 plus to Fe3. Second equation is, what is the second equation? I minus to I2. Second equation, I minus to I2. Okay, first you are balancing that one. How to balancing that one? This is the only one I is there, here 2I. So that is 2I. How many electron is there? 2 electron is there. So removing, adding 2 electron, balancing the charge. Okay, so this is the first one. Second one, what is the common equation? This is the common equation, right? This is the common equation. Here 2 electron is there. Here 5 electron is there, right? How to balancing that one? This equation multiplied by 5. This equation is multiplied by 5 by this equation multiplied by 2. Okay, so now writing that one. MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electron gives Mn2 plus 4H2O. So this equation is multiplied by 2, right? You are balancing that equation. Now writing here. So this equation 10I minus gives 10I2 plus 10 electron. Okay, this equation is multiplied by 2 means 2 MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 10 E minus electron 2 Mn2 plus then 8 H2O. Okay, we are adding that one, cancel that electron. So what is that final equation? 2 MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 10 I minus is gives 10 iodine plus 2 Mn2 plus 8 H2O. Okay, so this is the another equation. So this is the second example. Okay, so next one is the third example. What is the third example? Is a oxalate. So oxalate ion to carbon dioxide. Third equation is oxalate ion to so that is the third example is oxalate ion. So third example, oxalate ion. What is oxalate ion? COO2 minus. COO twice 2 minus is converted into CO2. This equation, what is COO2? Is an oxalic acid. Okay, you can know this oxalic acid. This is COOH. This is COOH, oxalic acid. This can be write like this, C2O4. So here 2 hydrogen is removed, that is 2 minus. Okay, so this is C2O4 minus. So I can write like this, C2O4 minus. First I am writing here C2O4 2 minus. It will give carbon dioxide. So how many carbon is there? 2 carbon I am writing here. That is here how many electron is here? That is the 2 minus. So that is we are adding 2 electron, right? So what is the general equation here? What is the general equation? So using that general equation here, that is how many electron is here? 5 electrons. So this equation is multiplied by 5. This equation is multiplied by 2. So that is MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electron gives Mn2 plus 4H2O is multiplied by 2, right? So adding that one. So what is that one? 5 electron means 5 C2O4 2 minus gives 10 CO2 plus 10 electron, right? Here also 2 MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 5 electron gives 2 Mn2 plus 8 H2O. So now we are adding that one, 10 electron. Here also 10, sorry, this is 10 electron. So how to write? 5 C2O4 2 minus plus 2 MnO4 minus plus 16H plus. Okay, so that is, what is that answer? 10 CO2 plus 2 Mn2 plus 8 H2O. Okay, so this is another one. This is another example. What is that next example? That is again, so S2 converted into S2 minus is converted, sulfate ion is converted into sulfide. So next example, what is S2 minus is converted into sulfur. Okay, so what is that? How many electron here? 2 electron. So we are adding 2 electron here. Okay, so next one, 2 electron is here. What is the two? Next one is S2, 2 electron is here. What is the general equation? I am writing the general equation here. That is, here 5 electron again, MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electron gives Mn2 plus 4H2O. So balancing that electron, this multiplied by 5, this multiplied by 2. Okay, so what is that amount? So 5S2 minus, so gives 5S plus 10 electron, right? His next one, here 2 MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 10 electron gives 4 Mn2 plus here 2 Mn2 plus 8 H2O. So what are the cancel? 10 electron cancel. What is that? 2 MnO4 minus plus 5S2 minus plus 16H plus gives 5 sulfur plus 2 Mn2 plus 8 H2O. Okay, so this is the another example. Next example is, what is the next example? This is another one. Next example, NO2 minus NO3 minus. Okay, so this is the next example. Here, so what is the charge of this nitrogen? Nitrogen charge is x minus 4 equal to minus 1, x is equal to plus 3, right? So this is plus 3 charge. What is that? This charge, x minus 6 equal to minus 1, x is equal to plus 5. So this is plus 5. How many electron is oxidized? So that is 2 electron. So here, that is, we are adding this side 2 electron, right? 2 electron. What is the general equation here? What is the general equation? So this is the general equation. So here I am writing here that the general equation is there. I am not writing that as a medium, only I am writing that MnO4 minus plus 5 electron gives Mn2 plus, right? Mn2 plus. Okay, so this is the another one. Mn2 plus. How to balancing the charge? So here you can write 5 multiplied by 5. You can write here 2 multiplied by 2. What is that equation? So 5NO2 minus gives 5NO3 minus plus 10 electron, right? Here 2 MnO4 minus plus 5 electron, that is 10 electron, gives 2 Mn2 plus. Okay, cancel this 10 electron, 10 electron. What is that answer here? That is 5NO2 minus plus 2MnO4 minus, that is 5NO3 minus plus 2Mn2 plus. Okay. So now how to balancing that equation? So how to balancing that equation? Total oxygen. How much oxygen is here? That is here. That is 10. Here that is 8 plus 8, 18. Here that is 5 3s are 15. 15 is here. Only 15 is here. 18. Remaining we want 3 oxygen, right? So we are adding this side. You are adding 3 oxygen. 3 oxygen. How much water hydrogen is there? That is 6 hydrogen. So that is in acid medium. You are adding this one. Okay, using this equation, this is balancing like that only. Okay, this is the another one. This is the another example of NO2 minus NO3. So another one, aldehyde to alcohol to aldehyde. In this equation, they are writing in the general equation. So as it is, you can write. So aldehyde. So what is that aldehyde? So the fifth one, alcohol, CH3. CH2OH plus MnO4 plus sulfuric acid gives MnSO4 plus aldehyde CH3, CHO aldehyde, then K2SO4. How to balancing that one? So here Mn. So Mn here, K2 is there. K2SO4. So this is the KMnO4. This is KMnO4. This is K2SO4. We are writing here that is 2 KMnO4, right? 2 KMnO4. So after that you are balancing that one. Here how many aldehyde? That is ethanol here. That is 5. So here also 5 2 MnSO4. Then 5 aldehyde. Then finally you are adding the 8 water molecules. So in this equation they are given. So next one, last one, this is the 6th one. The 7th one. What is the 7th one? Last one equation is, that is SO3 2 minus. So what is the last one? SO3 2 minus is converted into SO4 2 minus. So what is the oxidation state here? X minus 6 equal to minus 2, that is plus 4, right? So here X minus 8 equal to minus 2, right? So here that is X is equal to plus 6. So plus 4, it is oxidized to plus 6. How many electron? We are adding 2 electron. Okay, what is the general equation here? That is general equation is MnO4 minus plus 5 electron gives Mn2 plus, right? So here that is the 5 electron. So this equation multiplied by 5, this equation multiplied by 2. We are adding this one. So multiply, how to multiply that one? 5 SO3 2 minus gives 5 SO4 2 minus plus 10 electron, right? This is one. Another one, what is that? Another equation. Another equation is, that is 2 MnO4 minus plus 10 electron gives 2 Mn2 plus, right? So this 10 electron cancel here. That is, what is that last one? 5 SO3 2 minus plus 2 MnO4 minus, then 5 SO4 2 minus plus 2 Mn2 plus, right? Okay, wow. So next one is how to balancing that equation. How many oxygen is there? 15 oxygen here. That is 8 oxygen. So that is 23 oxygen is here. Okay, so here this side 20 oxygen here. How many oxygen? Remaining 3 oxygen we need. So that is the reason we are adding 3 molecule of water. So 3 oxygen. How many hydrogen is here? That is 6H plus. Okay. So this is the equation for that acid medium. So how to balancing? So this is the in your book, that is generally they are write that equation in your book. They are generally given that equation. It is not at all possible to memorize all that equation. So understand this concept. You can easily write that equation. Okay. Thank you, children. This is that. We see the next video. Next video we see the lesson 4, that is inner transition elements. Okay. Let's see the next video. Thank you, children.